What would really happen to the stuff that you own? Whatever it is, however much or however little, what would really happen to it? If you suddenly could not make decisions for yourself, who has the legal authority and power to handle business for you? And what are they going to decide? Will you be cared for on your terms? My whole job is devoted to helping people resolve these two questions. This is what I do. And this is what I believe everybody has to deal with yesterday. People often ask me, should I use a will kit? Should I go online? What attorney should I use? And those kinds of things. This topic, this area deals with two of the most important questions you can ever deal with.
You'll know that by the time we're done.
It's extremely important to use an expert in this area, somebody who's been trained, somebody who has the experience, someone who's probably heard all the scenarios and heard all of the questions and knows how to answer them. If you choose to, you can take the shortcut, or you can resolve those questions in the right way and then be assured that everything will be fine. One of the major things we talk about in this workshop is the right way to do things and the problems that arise when you do cut corners. So if you want to leave those questions to a $30 boxed kit from Office Depot, you have the right to. That's another major purpose of this workshop, is to help people understand the reality of that and all that's at stake in those decisions. To share the how-to and the what in a way that people can understand it, but also in a way that's fun, because we're talking about what happens when they're gone. That's another benefit of using a specialist in this area, right? It's not a fun topic, but it's a very fun workshop. And she looked at him and she said, "Ain't that right?" And he said, I'm slowly gonna open up to you all. Right now I'm still keeping my jacket on.
It made me laugh. It made me feel comfortable asking him a question. He showed his passion. He made sure that I understood that this was something not for his gain, but for my gain. It was a few hours of my time to understand that I need to make sure that my long-term care is taken care of, that I have everything in place.
Once you're gone, you no longer have the ability to tell us what you wanted. And if that's not what you want, then you better change it. I want to equip you with proper information that will help you lay the foundation that you want to lay for your situation. Whether you think you have a lot or a little, you got to put it in place. Because, truthfully, a lot of times those with the least are where the biggest fights happen. But if you don't do a plan at all of that is on the table for the people that you love.
He was able to talk to the people to where we could understand it. It shows that he really cares about the community. That's part of advocating for your people. Whether you are 19 or you are 99, there are things that you need from an attorney who specializes in estate planning, in wills, and in trusts. He is personally engaged with them, and he wants to meet them right at their needs.
They want to know, do I need a will? Do I need a trust? What else should I do with my assets? Is the state going to take my house? And so we're touching on issues that are on their hearts. And I love seeing the relief in their eyes once they know that the plan that they want is in place in the way that they want it. I think this was the most fun I've ever had doing a workshop. I'm Terrence Quinn. I want to answer your questions. So you have the information. Let's go.